What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger video. Today I am super excited because I'm sharing pieces from the new capsule Pop Drop.
Pop Drop!
Pop Drop? Like what? I don't know where Tommy came up with this name. I'm guessing it has something to do with the colors, bold colors, in-your-face colors, vibrant colors, very enthusiastic, crazy colors, which we appreciate. Not just red, white, and blue, but we have practically Roy G. Biv. If you don't know who that is, sorry about it, but it means red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. I have not said that in a very long time. But yeah, there's practically almost every single color, except for purple now that I think about it. I don't know what's up with that, but it's a lot of colors. In fact, there's one color in particular that was my favorite, and it's this beautiful green color. And I commented on Tommy Hilfiger's Instagram page. They actually gave me the DL of the name. So this is the name of that color. I'm obsessed with it. Anywho, I have pieces right here from the collection. We're gonna unbox this together. I'm gonna try on the pieces. Yes, I know this might be, a little tiny for a haul, but this is a mini haul and an inside look at the Pop Drop capsule. This is a limited edition collection, so if you're interested in something from this capsule, I highly recommend watching this video. I'm gonna give you the inside scoop, the DL on whether or not these products from this capsule are actually worth it, whether or not the colors match up online versus in store, because let's face it, guys, we don't have a lot of Tommy Jeans products in stores available for us here in the States. Unlike the UK, which is completely blessed with Tommy Jeans stores. They look so beautiful right now with this whole campaign and capsule going on. I'm jealous, I'm gelling. But if you wanna know what they look like IRL, in real life, keep on watching. You know what? I think I'm dressed a little too Tommy business casual for this type of video. This collection is fun, colorful, and loud, so I'm gonna change. That's more like it. We got some color going on here. This is actually a part of the 2021 spring Tommy Jeans collection, Pastel Crush, which, by the way, guys, I was absolutely obsessed with. I don't know what it is about colors, but when it comes to colors, I'm very,
neutral.
I love neutrals, I love earth tones, but I love myself some pastels. Pastels are just so clean, chic, Parisian. They have a soft spot in my heart. But I have to say, this Pop Drop capsule, it's pretty sick. When I think of summer, I do think of colorful items, garments, couture. So that's exactly what is in here. This whole collection, it's very bold colors. It's not pastel, it's not soft, it's not muted. This is an example also of the Pastel Crush from last spring. Don't mind the cat here, I'm so sorry. But yeah, this is basically giving me the same vibe as the Pop Drop. As you can see, the colorful Tommy logos, but they're pastel. So that's a different vibe with this collection. Obviously, they're more bold and funky and fun, and I'm so excited to check them out. Now, I ordered 2 pieces from this capsule, and these are the 2 that I was like,
I cannot live without these.
these are gonna be a staple within my summer collection, my summer looks that I'm gonna serve. So let's get into it, let's get these open. I've seen a lot of items in the collection that I was like, okay, I want that, including the t-shirts with like the big logos on them. Oh my God. But again, that green color that I was talking about, insane, so unique. Which, by the way, we're gonna start off with that item first. We have a bucket hat, you guys. I dipped into the bucket hat club last year. I never wore bucket hats prior to 2021. I always thought they were for people with round Charlie Brown heads, but I guess I could pull them off. I suppose. I'm just gonna say I do because you know what? I feel confident in them. You guys can be the judge of that though. I really don't know. I feel confident in them, so whatever. This is the bucket hat in green. They come in different variations of colors, obviously, but this one was the one I was like, okay, I absolutely need that. So what is this material? Kind of like online, I couldn't get a description of what the material was, but it was looking like it was suede. Oh, it's not. This is like super soft. No, the tag does not say. Maybe on the interior it says, but either, oh my God, it is like really sticking to me. This is the hat though, guys. This is so freaking beautiful. For some reason, it's reversible. This is reversible. It was like, I thought it said Tommy Jeans somewhere on the hat, but actually it does on the interior. So first and foremost, we always check out the tags. I don't know what happened with this capsule, but there's no special tag going on. It's just a basic Tommy Jeans tag. one size fits most right there. And this color, are you freaking kidding me? It is so sick. That's the logo right in the front. We have the pink and the yellow. Yeah, pink and yellow. And I feel like that sticks out so much with this green. Like it just pops, like literally pop drop. That's probably why, because colors just like pop in your face. Duh. Let me see on the tag if it does say what type of material this is, because I'm curious. Literally, there are different tags per language. I'm not sure like what all these languages are, but obviously we have English, Spanish, and some type of other languages. I don't want to get it wrong, so I'm not gonna say. I really don't know. I'm assuming there's like one per. No, there's more than like this amount of languages. I'm gonna stop. Honestly, I give up because I cannot find what material this is made out of on here. It's just basically describing like it's made in China and a couple other things on this. Hey guys, editing the video, I actually did double check on Tommy's website, and it does say it's made out of 100% polyester. So there we have it. We have this side right here, and then reversible, which kind of like, oh, I guess you could cut, oh, cool. So you could basically just trim this tag off if you really want. I'm probably gonna leave it on, to be honest. I don't care if that's like dangling on there. Well, I'm gonna probably take off some of it, but leave on the Tommy Jeans tag. Anywho, this is the other side right here. As you can see, it says Tommy Jeans in this really cool pink. I kind of wish it was like on one side it said Tommy Jeans and the logo on the other side, you know, like one on the front, one on the back, but whatever, it's reversible. I'm not a fan of reversible stuff just because like, you know, your head sweats and things like that. So like, it's just gonna get dirty easier. But cool, I love it. I'm obsessed with this color green. I'm so pumped. I'm probably gonna wear it on this side with the Tommy logo like right there. So let's try this on, see how this looks. I have a mirror right here. Oh my God. Okay, so this is the first impression. Obviously, I'm gonna style this with like a different outfit. This is like way too much color going on for me. I'm not that colorful of a person, but it's still cute. Probably like a more solid shirt, something very summer-esque that's not like, this is very in your face. Yeah, this is way outside my comfort zone, but it's cute. I love it. Hat fits great. It's actually not as heavy as you might think it is. It's definitely lightweight and it feels super soft, which I love. How much was this hat? Expensive. This was definitely not a $20 baseball cap, $28 baseball cap you get at the Tommy outlet. This is a little bit pricey, but hey, this is a limited edition collection. So guys, keep that in mind when Tommy drops these type of collections like this. They're not always around. This is not a piece that you're gonna be able to pick up, you know, a year from now or 2 years from now. Yes, this might be similar to the, you know, Pastel Crush collection, but the colors are way more vibrant. It's way more loud and fun and funky and fresh and cool and pop. I love it. I have to say, I freaking love it. Do you want to see? I'm gonna show you what the other side looks like, the reversible side, just in case you're wondering like what the big like Tommy scripture looks like on a hat. You know, you might wear it like this in the front, you might wear it in the back, whatever way you want to wear it. I probably would wear it like this right in the front. And honestly, now looking in a mirror, I think I might like this side better. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. I love it. I'm obsessed. Before we go any further though, let me just share with you guys, I got my fingernails done by myself. I painted these myself, just like how I have been for the past year. But I painted these recently because we're getting into summer and I like to be more fun and quirky in the summertime, which is why I started doing these Tommy Hilfiger nails last summer. And I just saw that Shawn Mendes is now partnering with Tommy Hilfiger for a campaign. And he also rocked these nails for the Met Gala, which I'm pretty pumped. It was beautiful. His suit, his tux was phenomenal. Literally top-notch couture. I'm obsessed. Like for my wedding one day, I would love to be dressed in a Tommy tux. That's like my goal. I have to say it, 2022 Met Gala, Shawn Mendes was most definitely the best dressed, in my opinion. And I did appreciate, you know, the inspiration that was provided there from the House of Hilfiger. The nails, I mean, let's face it, guys, name another man that rocked Tommy Hilfiger logo on their nail and Tommy Hilfiger inspired nails in the past year or in the past whenever. If you can name somebody, Drop a name in the comments, tag me, because I would love to give them credit, but I'm gonna give you... You didn't get a name? That's right, because it was me. If anything, I'm flattered, because something that I've done that was unique, in my opinion, was a look served at the Met Gala. Anyway, let's get into the next product here, because I have one more item from the Pop Drop capsule. And this is one that, again, I fell in love with the colors and I needed another hat. I got most of the accessories from this line because accessories are just timeless for me. And I like the shirts and stuff like that, but I feel like I'll get to that eventually. For the price that I dropped for these guys, I could have bought a nice planter for my front porch. And being a new homeowner, there was so much that I need for my house that I just like prioritized what I needed, and this is what I needed. So here we are. This hat caught my eye just as much as the bucket hat did. This yellow and the logo, I'm obsessed with this colored logo. Like the pink and the yellow is really cute, but this powder blue, this baby blue, is that baby blue? I don't know what you want to call that color, but we have that Kelly green right there, and this blue, whatever you want to call that, sky blue. Absolutely phenomenal. Oh my god, we got the same material here as the bucket hat. That's the colors if you want to see them compared to each other. The only difference about this is the Tommy jeans is actually on the hat, it's not on the inside. So I 1000% appreciate that little detail right there. Another thing is, tag is the exact same, one size fits most, in case you're wondering. We have the adjustable back right here, which is black. Okay, that is new. Usually Tommy like matches the straps, but that's definitely unique. Oh, it says Tommy jeans on it. It actually says Tommy jeans embossed and feels like a suede. If I had to guess, this is a suede. I'm not gonna waste time trying to like find the materials on the description again because yeah, that was rough. Okay, so inside we're taking off this thingy. We also have some Tommy script on the inside right there, along with, you know, the same type of tag and whatnot. But this is the adjuster for the back. It is black. That is like kind of cool. I'm liking that it's different than the rest of this. It's not a color, it's more, I don't know, it just stands out to me. I really like that. And we're gonna try this on right now. This material, I'm a little worried that this is gonna get like ruined easily, but you know what? We're gonna rock it. It feels a little weird, not gonna lie. Oh my god, we need to bend this a little bit to the shape of the face. That's the goal, guys, when you have a baseball cap. You want to not bend this like all the way or even keep it flat. That's really weird when people do that. To each their own though. But when you curve these, you want to curve it to like the shape of your face, not like over curved or under curved, but that's typically like the classic way to wear a baseball cap. Anywho, very cool. Again, I don't know how I feel about like color and color. It's a little loud for me, but either way, this is sick. I freaking love this. So straightforward, this is what it looks like. This is the side. If you want to see the Tommy jeans logo right there. And I like to keep my little strap out and about. I feel like it just, I don't know, something I've always done as a kid. So I just keep that out like that. And you could always tuck it in if you want to. There's a little insert right there, but that's the side. I love it. This yellow is so sick, and I'm super excited to be adding this to my collection. That's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me during this Tommy jeans capsule collection pop drop. I love doing videos like this and bringing awareness to limited edition Tommy Hilfiger Tommy jeans pieces, because when I say they're limited edition,
they're limited.
So like, I like to bring awareness to these type of products and let people know like, hey, this is a once in a lifetime Tommy piece to pick up. And in my opinion, stuff like this, I mean, it's a must have. I highly recommend checking out the pop drop. These colors are vibrant. They're just as beautiful in person as they are online, and they're everything that I imagined. The fabric is sick, very cozy, very comfortable, definitely breathable. I thought it was gonna be heavier than what it is for the hats that is. I'm sure the shirts are pretty much the exact same, and they are sustainable, which we always love about Tommy Hilfiger, bringing sustainability to fashion is incredible. So check them out, guys. Pop Drop Tommy Jeans. I'll link all the information down below. This video is not sponsored, nor am I an affiliate of Tommy Hilfiger.
Yes.
Anywho, if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. If you love Tommy Hilfiger, you're gonna love my channel. You're gonna love my content on all social media platforms. TikTok, Instagram, the House of Hilfiger. I'm link everything down below in the description. And if you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up. I definitely appreciate that. Your likes go a long way. The more you like people's videos, the more they'll be recommended to other viewers, and you know, you're helping out the content creators. So please give this video a thumbs up if you're watching this and you enjoyed. Until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.